Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to install apps on iPhone 15 Pro Max. So before starting the video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon. So first of all, open App Store and then search for a app, and you can also scroll down and find the app. And if you don't find your app here, just type your app name you want to install and then click on get, and after that click on install and it will start downloading. You can also see it on your home screen, and after the download is complete you can use this app. So that's how you can install apps on iPhone 15 Pro Max. I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.